Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 8 assets that you need to buy now to make money. Now, with the inflation rate in Nigeria at about 21%, these 8 assets I'll be sharing with you guys in this video can help you stay ahead of others and also help you to make money. And also, these assets I'll be sharing with you guys can pay you annually and some can even pay you monthly. Also, you need to know that some of these assets I'll be sharing with you guys in this video will require little capital from you, while some will require large capital from you to start. Now, before I go into these 8 assets, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now to the 8 assets you need to buy to make money now. For number 1, we have dividend stocks. Now currently I have 2 dividend stocks that are currently paying me periodically, and they are Apple stocks and the ARR stocks. I've talked about this in most of my stock market videos. Now in case you don't know, you can buy dividend stocks on different apps in Nigeria like the Trove app, the Bamboo app, and so on. And in case you don't know what it means to invest or to buy dividend stocks, it means that you are investing in stocks that pay you a particular percentage of your capital periodically, and some can pay you every month, some can pay you every 3 months, and some can pay you every 6 months, and some pay annually. Now you need to know that buying dividend stocks is a great way to generate passive income for yourself, but building your portfolio to be able to get tangible amount of dividends, it can take a long time and also require large capital from you. Now, I've talked about how you can invest in dividend stocks and how you can make money from dividend stocks in most of my stock market videos. And if you need links to those videos, I'll be putting the link to my stock market playlist in the description below. So if you want to learn more about buying dividend stocks or making money through dividend stocks, then you should watch those videos. Number 2 is to buy cryptocurrencies. Buying cryptocurrencies is another way you can escape inflation or beat inflation. And this is because cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by the government. And apart from keeping your money from inflation, buying cryptocurrencies has other advantages like any passive income with your cryptocurrency, any unlimited returns from your cryptocurrencies, and also it can serve as a form of investment for you. And if you are looking to buy cryptocurrencies or invest in cryptocurrencies, there are various apps that you can use, and the 2 apps I'm going to recommend to you guys are BYBIT and the Binance app. Now, in case you don't know how to go about any of these 2 apps, I have various videos that will guide you on these 2 apps. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. So if you are looking to invest in cryptocurrencies, ensure you check out these tutorial videos. For number 3, we have real estate properties. Now, this is one of the best assets you can buy to make money for yourself. Now, there are different ways you can get into buying real estate properties. First, you can buy land properties, or you can buy developed real estate properties to rent or to sell. And that will require large capital from you. Or you can just go on the Cable app and invest in different real estate properties, which will only require $10 from you. And also you get returns on your investment. And in case you don't know what the Cable app is all about, it's an investment app that allows you to invest in foreign real estate properties with as low as $10. And like I said, you get returns on your money. Now, I've already made various videos on how to invest on the Cable app. In case you want to know how to invest on the Cable app or how to make money on the Cable app or things you need to know before you start investing in real estate properties on the Cable app, I'll put the links to those videos in the description below so you can check it out, or you check out my Cable playlist. And in case you don't know, I've been using the Cable app for over 8 months right now, and I even talked about it in my video where I talked about the top 5 investment apps in Nigeria. So in case you've not also watched that video, you can check the link to that video in the description below. For number 4, we have digital products. Now, in case you've been watching my videos for a very long time, you'll notice that in almost all my videos about making money, I always make mention of digital products. And that is because it is an asset that can make you a lot of money, and you can't go wrong with it if you know what you are doing. And it also requires just little capital from you to start. And you can sell digital products ranging from ebooks to video courses to music to template and so on. Now, we all know that knowledge is an expensive asset, and with digital products, you can make so much money with any kind of knowledge that you have. Now, if you are looking into creating a digital product, but you don't know the kind of digital product to create, I have a blog post on the 13 digital products you can create to sell online to make money. I'll put the link to that blog post in the description below, so make sure you check it out. For number 5, we have index fund. Now, index fund is an investment fund where you can put your money to invest in various companies at once. Now, if you're investing in dividend stocks, you're only investing in various companies one by one. But if you're investing in an index fund, you're investing in various companies all at once. Now, investing in index fund is another way for you to generate passive income for yourself through dividends, and also it helps you to diversify your investment portfolio. And if you are looking to invest in index funds, I have a video where I talked about everything you need to know about investing in index funds on the Trove app. The link to that video will be in the description below. For number 6, start a business or a company. Now, starting a business or a company is another asset that can make you a lot of money. Now, I know that starting a business or a company requires large capital from you, but when that business or that company becomes successful, it can generate unlimited return on investment for you. Also, you need to know that starting a business or a company is not an easy one, and we've had a lot of people that have created businesses or companies and have failed. So you need to have it at the back of your mind that it's going to require a lot of work from you. But once that business becomes successful, it can become an asset that can make you a lot of money in the long run. For number 7, we have cash. Now, you might be surprised to see this on this list, but to be honest, having cash is one of the best assets you can have. Now, I know a lot of people always say that it's not good to keep all your money in the bank because of inflation. And yes, that is true. But to be honest, having cash also has its benefit. And one of the main benefits of having cash with you is that you can be able to access investment opportunities easily when they come. Just imagine that you invest almost all your money in an investment or in another asset, and then you see another investment opportunity that is very lucrative and you don't have enough cash to invest in. You are going to be very, very pained. So that is why it's also good to have cash with you. And another reason why a lot of people have cash is because so they can be able to lend other people cash and get back their money with interest. In case you don't know, there are people who lend out cash, and then when they get back their money from the people they are lending it to, they get it back with interest. And that is why a lot of rich people and a lot of big companies don't joke with having cash at hand. So having cash is also an asset that can make you rich. For number 8, we have knowledge or education. Now, in case you don't know, your knowledge on something or on a particular topic can be an asset that can make you a lot of money. Now, when you invest your money in educating yourself about a particular topic, it becomes part of you for life and can make you a lot of money in the future. Now, when investing in educating yourself about something, you need to take note that not all kinds of knowledge or education can be monetized. Not all kind of knowledge can make you money. So if you are looking to invest in education to make money, then you need to be able to locate the ones that can make you money or the ones that you can easily monetize. So don't just invest in any kind of knowledge or any kind of education that you won't be able to monetize in the future, except if you don't care about making money from that knowledge. So these are the 8 assets that you need to have to make money for yourself. I'll be putting some links in the description of this video that can guide you on some of these assets that I've talked about in this video. So make sure you check the links out. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video with someone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.